Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to download Hello Neighbor on your PC. First, ensure you have Steam installed on your computer. This popular gaming platform allows access to a vast selection of games. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the official Steam website using your web browser. Click the Install Steam button in the top right corner and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the Steam client. After installing Steam, open the application. If you don't have a Steam account yet, you'll need to create one. Click on Create a Free Account and enter the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once registered, log in with your account details to access the main interface. Next, locate the search bar in the top right corner. Click on it and type Hello Neighbor. The game should appear in the search results. Click on its title to view the store page for more details. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After buying the game, go to the Library tab at the top. You'll see Hello Neighbor listed among your games. Click on it to open its library page, then press the Install button. A window will appear asking where you want to install the game on your PC. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download is finished, a Play button will show up in your library. Click it to launch Hello Neighbor. That's all for this guide. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.